Hello people, welcome to Bhopal.
Hello, it's me Madhuritu. Welcome to my channel. Today you are watching me at the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, also known as the city of lakes, both natural and artificial. Bhopal is said to be ruled by the wives or begums of the Nawabs, that too for over 100 years. Just like most Indian cities, Bhopal is also divided into two halves, new as well as old Bhopal. I started my day by visiting Shahpura Lake, had sumptuous breakfast at the street by the lake.
Okay, so guys, please come to this place. It's an amazing one. Here mostly the people who hit the gym, they do come. Good morning guys, here I am on my way to Bhojpur through the beautiful streets of Bhopal.
Let me tell you guys, Bhojpur is famous for Bhojeshwar temple, which is approximately 35 kilometers away from where I was staying in Bhopal. The bike ride to this location was superb, and must say, this is a place which is worth visiting. There are tiny huts selling accessories, toys, jewelries right opposite to the massive Shivling, which is apparently the largest Shivling of India, and in few moments I'm going to unveil how it looks like, the interior of this temple. This temple is considered to be unfinished, and the erection was started somewhere around 11th century by Raja Bhoj in this very district of Raisen, Madhya Pradesh. After visiting a lot of Shivlings pan-India, which are also preserved by the Archaeological Site of India, I am totally awestruck looking at the ramp which was used for rolling the stones while construction of this temple.
So guys, I am at one of the hugest Shiv Mandir ever I have seen in my life. So this is Bhojpur, and I'm going to give you the glimpses of this temple, which is actually hard to capture because it is gigantic. You can't even believe how huge it is, but still I'm going to try and show you how beautiful it is. Om Namah Shivaya.
There is a dam right next to this temple, this unfinished masterpiece, which is over the Betwa river. It flows somewhere in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. I'm not very sure about that. Guys, this is made out of single stone and it is 18 feet tall. Like, you can imagine how enthralling it must be to be in front of the Shivling and this entire location. With all due respect to the deities and the pilgrimages, I must say this is the Bap of all Shivlings that I have ever visited. You literally can spend an entire day exploring this beautiful temple and the whereabouts and everything else.
So guys, this is the temple of Bhojpur, which is huge, it's massive, and there are a lot of people who has come to visit Lord Shiva, as it is Monday today and it is quite crowded, and this looks serene.
So a cultural festival takes place during Mahashivratri, where renowned singers like Kailash Kher, Sonu Nigam and a lot others, they do come perform, and it is organized by the government of Madhya Pradesh. I happily returned back to Bhopal after watching this marvelous monument. By the time I reached main city, sun was overhead, and then the rest of the Bhopal exploration began. Well, it was few of the places were covered the previous night only. So yes, I got to see Jama Masjid, Sadar Manzil Gate, Tajul Masjid, Bhopal. Shaukat Mahal and also Gauhar Mahal. And also I binged into delicious kebabs, rolls, burger, also lemon tea, which is also a specialty of a few of those small shops from the older part of the city. This is Gauhar Mahal, guys. Quite beautiful. Seems like it's not maintained in a proper manner, or probably there's someone from their family staying in. But yeah, it's beautiful. After having this amazing food, on my way back, I saw Raj Bhavan, Upper Lake, Raja Bhoj Setu, Lok Rang, and a lot of the local places to hang out in Bhopal. I must say it sure is a very beautiful city. Wish I would have spent some more time, but I would most definitely come back to this beautiful city. This city is tagged as one of the most cleanest and safest city. Sadly, Bhopal is only known for Bhopal gas tragedy, which happened years ago. But yeah, this place has beautiful lakes and so many historical places to offer. So I would recommend all of you to visit here, watch this video, share it among people who would need it. And a special shout out to my friend Sam and auntie and uncle for your warm hospitality and showing me around. You guys are so generous. Thank you so much for everything.
Hi guys, so here comes an end to my Bhopal trip. It was awesome, but as we say, the things which are experienced in the most beautiful manner and usually uncaptured. So the same thing happened with me, and I couldn't capture much, but it was super awesome.
Since this vlog is prepared in Bhopal, I would like to end it with a शायरी. जनाब, घूमने का मन हुआ, चल दिया बावरा मन यूं ही. घूमने का मन हुआ, चल दिया बावरा मन यूं ही. भोपाल नगरिया आ ठहरी, मौज है हर कहीं.